What if the primary cause of Alzheimer's could be completely cleared from the brain in just 12 months? A breakthrough study in the journal Neurology just showed us it's possible. Hi, if we haven't met, I am the digital avatar of Dr. Zuleta. While Dr. Zuleta is changing healthcare and helping people improve their health, I help share his message. Today, we're exploring that remarkable case study. Before we dive into the study, let's understand the target. Amyloids are proteins that naturally occur in the body, but in Alzheimer's, they misfold and clump together into plaques. Under the amyloid cascade hypothesis, these plaques are believed to disrupt cell communication and trigger inflammation, which many scientists hypothesize is a primary driver of cognitive decline. The study documents the complete removal of amyloid plaques in a 76-year-old patient using a targeted therapy called Donanemab. The patient was a 76-year-old woman experiencing mild memory loss, a stage clinically defined as mild cognitive impairment. Pre-treatment PET scans revealed widespread amyloid deposits throughout her cerebral cortex, the hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Quantitatively, her amyloid burden was measured at 45.2 on the centiloid scale, indicating a significant presence of plaque. Importantly, she was not a carrier of the APOE4 allele, which is often linked to a higher risk of treatment-related side effects. To treat this, she underwent a 12-month course of Donanemab, a humanized monoclonal antibody designed to clear these plaques. Unlike other therapies, Donanemab specifically targets the mature pyroglutamate-modified form of amyloid-beta found in established plaques. It binds directly to these plaques, triggering the brain's own immune system to effectively clean them away. The patient received 12 intravenous infusions administered once every 4 weeks over the course of a full year. Throughout the treatment, she was monitored closely for any adverse events, specifically amyloid-related imaging abnormalities or ARIA. The results after 12 months were dramatic. PET imaging showed a complete visual clearance of the amyloid plaques, which you can see here in the comparison scans. Her amyloid levels plummeted from 45.2 to negative 11.2 centiloids, well below the threshold for being considered amyloid negative. This speed of clearance mirrors broader clinical trials where Donanemab has shown significantly faster plaque removal than earlier drugs. Remarkably, the patient experienced no adverse symptoms or ARIA throughout the entire 12-month treatment period. While the plaque was cleared, her cognitive function remained stable, with no further decline observed during the study. Following this success, her therapy was discontinued. This reflects the unique treat-to-target approach enabled by Donanemab. Unlike medications that require indefinite administration, Donanemab may allow patients to stop once their plaques are cleared. While these results are groundbreaking, it's important to note that this is a case report of a single patient. Large-scale trials are still needed to confirm long-term durability. However, the findings remain highly promising, providing powerful real-world validation of how targeted therapy can effectively reset a patient's amyloid status. Models suggest that once cleared, it could take nearly 4 years for amyloid to reaccumulate to positive levels. This provides a substantial holiday from treatment, reducing the burden and cost for patients in the long run. These individual results align with the Phase 3 Trailblazer trials, which showed slowed clinical decline in early-stage patients. The findings reinforce the importance of early intervention and the power of deep, rapid plaque removal. The case also underscores the role of genetic profiling in selecting the best candidates for these advanced therapies. This successful removal of amyloid is more than just a medical finding, it's a beacon of hope for millions. We are entering a new era where Alzheimer's can be targeted, treated, and ultimately overcome. Together, we are changing the future of healthcare. Thank you for joining us.